Claude's put it on their site saying that we agreed to a partnership with SpaceX that will substantially increase our compute capacity. This, along with other recent compute deals, means that we've been able to increase our user limits for Claude Code and the Claude API. So anything that's on Anthropic or Claude's systems, right? Claude Work, Claude Code, all these different types of kind of little systems that are on it are going to be substantially better. And that's great for us as a user and a consumer, right? So effective today, doubling Claude Code's 5-hour rate limits for Pro, Max, and Team plans, removing the peak hours limit reduction on Claude Code for Pro and Max plans, and substantially raising our API rate limits on Opus models. I currently use Opus model for Zeus, and I use, I think I just use Hermes for Chat GPT or OpenAI to kind of test them to see which ones are good and which ones not. But they are both equally, I think, good at this point. I use OpenAI for Hermes on one and then the Opus on the other. And I'm just kind of experimenting on which one does better. So our agreement with SpaceX means that we will use all the compute capacity at the Colossus One data center. This will give us 300 megawatts of additional capacity to deploy within the month. And then you can read here if you want for more information on rate limits and stuff that they have.